Cesare Beccaria was born on March 15, 1738, and he died on November 28, 1794. Beccaria was an Italian criminologist, jurist, philosopher, and politician who is widely considered as the most talented jurist and one of the greatest thinkers of the Age of Enlightenment. He is well remembered for his treatise on crimes and punishments on 1764, which condemned torture and the death penalty, and was a founding work in the field of penology and the classical school of criminology. Beccaria is considered the father of modern criminal law and father of criminal justice. Cesare Beccaria was born on March 15, 1738 in Milan, Italy. He was married to Teresa di Blasco and had one child, Julia. Beccaria was a philosopher and politician. Beccaria helped to begin the Reformation by starting a journal with the Berry Brothers. His famous work is an essay entitled On Crimes and Punishment. In 1764, he published On Crimes and Punishments, arguing for the need to reform the criminal justice system by repairing not to the harm caused to the victim, but to the harm caused to society. In this, he explains that the greatest deterrent was the certainty of detection. The more swift and certain the punishment, the more effective it would be. It would also allow a less serious punishment to the effective if shame and the unacknowledgement of wrongdoing was a guaranteed response to society's judgment. This, the prevention of crime, was achieved through a proportional system that was clear and simple to understand, and if the entire nation united in their own defense. His approach influenced the codification movement, which set sentencing types to ensure equality of treatment among offenders. Later, it was acknowledgement that not all offenders are alike and greater sentencing discretion was allowed to judges. Thus, punishment works at two levels. Because it punishes individuals, it operates as a specific deterrence to those convicted not to reoffend. But the publicity surrounding the trial and the judgment of society represented by the decision of a jury of peers offers a general example to the public of the consequences of committing a crime. If they are not afraid of similarities with justice, they will not offend. He also argued against gun control laws, and was among the first to advocate the beneficial influence of education in lessening crime, referring to gun control laws as laws based on false ideas of utility. Beccaria wrote the laws of this nature are those which forbid to wear arms, disarming those only who are not disposed to commit crime and which laws mean to prevent. He further wrote, "This law certainly makes the situation of the assaulted worse, and rather encourages than prevents murder, as it requires less courage to attack an armed than armed person." Thomas Jefferson noted this passage in his Legal Commonplace book. Beccaria's theories, as expressed in On Crimes and Punishment, have continued to play a great role in recent times. Some of the current policies impacted by his theories are truth in sentencing, swift punishment, and the abolishment of the death penalty in some U.S. states. While many of his theories are popular, some are still a source of heated controversy, even more than 2 centuries after famed criminologist's death.